guys, welcome back to my channel and I am so happy to meet you all after so long, and I am very excited to show you a very simple, very easy 10 minutes traditional Maharashtrian look which you can easily do for this Ganesh Chaturthi festival or Ganpati festival. So come on, let's get started. Before starting the makeup, I will apply this color bar primer. I will apply to the areas where I feel where I have the most open pores. Next I am going to apply this Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation number 118. I have just taken a small drop on my palette and will apply with my flat brush. I am going to blend it with flat brush only. You can blend it with damp sponge or even with buffing brush. Apply to all over your face, under your eyes, and blend it very gently, very evenly. I like to apply over it my eyes also. Next I am going to conceal. For that I am going to use Elegal Pro Conceal, and I will apply to the areas where I want to highlight, that is under my eyes, to my forehead, my nose, upper lips and chin area, and gently blend it with flat brush. Next I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I am just going to brush roughly to all over my face. Today I am going to use this Miss Claire dark brown blush for contouring. Today I am not contouring very dark, just a mild contour for cheekbones and my jawline. Now with this small contour brush I am going to contour my nose with the same shade. Next I am applying Maybelline Cheeky Bones Cinnamon Shade Blush, a very light blush. Next I am going to apply this bronze shade of the Swiss Beauty blush palette to my eyelids to give the base color for my eyeshadow. It gives a very natural base color. Next I am going to take this skin color of Imagic eyeshadow palette and will apply to the outer corners and the crease line very lightly. This is my favorite palette, and I am going to take this brown shade, very nude shade, and I am going to apply to the outer corner of my eye to create a nice transition with the round brush, and I'm going to blend it lightly to my crease line also. This same shade I'm going to apply to my lower lid line. Now with the flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to apply the same shade to all over my eyes. Today I am using this Imagic gel eyeliner. You need to apply it very quick because it dries out very quickly. Here I am done with the liner, and next I am going to apply these lashes which I have got from Amazon. Next I am going to highlight my brow bone with this Face Secret highlighter palette. And the same shade I am going to highlight my cheekbones. Little bit on your nose and upper lips and your chin area to highlight. I'm going to fill my brows with this VOV brow palette. For lips, I am going to take this maroon shade and going to apply on the upper lip, just a outline kind of to the upper lip and lower lip. Next I am taking bright red shade which I am going to fill up my whole lips with that. I just love to mix colors for my lips. Next I am applying kajal to my lower lash line. A soft line, not too dark. And here we are ready with our makeup. And we are ready with our bun and sari. As it's for Ganesh Chaturthi, I am applying this half moon bindi which looks absolutely stunning. To make this look more authenticate, you can put on the nut like this and your super easy traditional Maharashtrian look is ready.